So there is a option for holding the payments. So there is a feature called hold vendor. So for holding the vendor, we go to the vendor master and go to the all vendors, and then from all vendors we select the vendor. So once we come to the vendor details, here are the option to change its status. So in the vendor tab, there is a maintain, and in maintain there is a on hold. And in on hold, there are options like no. No means it is not hold, it is allowed to do any transaction. But there are other options like invoice. So if you select invoice, so the system will stop creating invoicing from that. If we select all, it will stop all the transactions. It will not allow you to generate PR, PO, payments, nothing. When you select payment only, so it will allow you to create invoicing, it will allow you to generate PR, but it will not allow you to pay transactions. So like that, we can set up the hold option and we can hold that. After selecting the hold, for example, you select for payment, click on the payment, and then we have period also. Suppose we want to payment hold for 1 month. So then you can select that vendor hold release date. So if it is today's date is 31st 1, you can change that date, okay, release after 1 month. So you can put the next month date. So February 3rd, 28th will be, for example, it's a release for that. So you can put that 28th February. So what will happen? Automatically, this will be changed to unhold and it will be allowed to all transactions. So that way we can hold the transaction for that particular period. Also, we need to mention the reason code there. If it is defined, we can resign that due to personal reason, due to COVID reason, or any reason. We can create the reasons for that, and or disputes happened with them. So for to any litigation is happening, so we can give that reason for that and give the reason for that. Then there is an option called apply hold in all legal entities. So mostly what happened, there are multiple legal entities and all legal entities having the shared vendor. The same vendor got shared across the legal entity. So if you want to hold for all legal entities, we can check that as a yes and then say okay. So this way we can see that now in the current hold status, you can see payment is there. Go up. Yeah.
Where?
Go up. No, you're going down. Go up in the first window only. Here. Go up.
That's it.
Where is that? There is was option. Go down. Yes. Here only. In miscellaneous details, you can see that the current hold status is payment. Okay. Now, if you try to, now we have a hold for payment. So if you try to create any payment, it will stop. So to check whether it is hold or not, what we do hold for all. Just hold for all. Go to the hold and select all. Save this and go to this purchase order and try to create one purchase order for this vendor.
Here, right? Hello.
Yeah. Go to purchase order. Create new tab. Indicate the tab. Yeah, good there. Accounts payable. In accounts payable, purchase order. Yeah, purchase order. Go to the purchase order.
It's opening, sir. There is some network issue.
What you do, you duplicate the tab to that process. Let it be happen. Duplicate the tab and start working on that. It will be faster. You can close one tab and duplicate one tab. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Now
okay.
try to create new purchase order. And now here you select the name from the drop down and select third
Sir,
one.
this is a vendor, right?
You created a new vendor? No. Close this. You need to go to the purchase order tab. Yeah. First you need to come out from this screen. So escape or delete. Yeah. Close this screen. Okay. Create new.
Okay.
Okay. Now vendor account you select 3, which we have hold. So if you see that vendor number 3 has been hold for all until this date. The system will show this message immediately and it will not allow you to select that vendor. So that's the purpose of holding the vendor and it will stop this. This is the validation. Okay.